Let's be honest, in today's world, everybody needs a gun safe. I don't normally do this in the middle of an edit, but it's made me think about something. So for 3 decades, I've been doing it wrong. That's the first place ever a burglar looks. Whether you're trying to store personal documents, or maybe a place to keep your laptop, or maybe you've got an ever-growing collection of tactical broomsticks. And today we're taking a look at the Kaer 1430 gun safe. This company reached out to us and asked us if we would do a video for a review for you guys. So for full disclosure, we're letting you know, yes, they did send us this. The opinions and views in this video are going to be mine. However, the really cool tech specs and all the stuff built into it, that's all them, because they're making a great product. One thing I noticed about this safe right out of the box is it is fully assembled. There's no sitting around for 3 or 4 hours like you're trying to put together a IKEA thought about product with parts and assembly lasting forever. The dimensions are compact enough that it doesn't take up an entire wall in your house. However, it will still hold 6 of those tactical broomsticks we mentioned earlier, or the personal documents that you want to keep safe. Now, obviously, no residential gun safe is going to deter every theft. If somebody's determined enough, has the right tools, has enough time, and has the patience or wherewithal, they're probably going to get into it. But for slowing down theft, maybe even possibly the smash and grab that you hear about all the time on the news, or just keeping things secured from unauthorized access, maybe a child that lives with you, maybe your grandchildren that's coming to visit, or just keeping things secured. This safe actually feels very secure at the price point. I honestly think having multiple smaller ones around your house, maybe even one in your shop, may be a better solution than having one big one. And let me explain why. The door itself actually uses thicker steel. It's also got 3 bolts to keep the door secure. And I really like that they included the hardware so that you could mount this securely to a wall. You've got all the included hardware. And let's be honest, if somebody steals this thing and you didn't actually bolt it down, they probably earned it. This thing's pretty dang heavy. If you go ahead and bolt it in, I don't think there's a worry in the world. This is where I think a lot of people overlook a safe like this. Yes, it is marketed as a rifle safe. However, you could use it for other things. You could use it for cameras. You could use it for valuable stuff that you want to keep out of the reach of maybe children and or unauthorized access in general. One thing that I've been thinking about a lot, and that is at the office. At the office, I deal with a lot of confidential files, and having a place to secure them, in my opinion, would be priceless, especially knowing that it's right there close to the desk. I don't have to go look for it in some other area in the office. They're right there, they're secure, and nobody's got access to them that shouldn't have access. Now let's go over some of the really cool features. This thing has a digital electronic keypad. It is a programmable keypad that you can enter your own code. In years past, some of the problems with the electronic keypad, although they're extremely useful because it's real quick and easy other than using the dial that takes forever. One of the problems in the past has been what happens when your battery dies. You can't get into your safe. Well, they've thought about this, and not only have they thought about it, they've doubled your options. You get a little packet in the kit that'll hold AA batteries, and it'll plug in right in the front of this. So that way you can override the dead batteries if need be. And then to go above and beyond, they've included a key, which will go in this hole right here. It does have a nice little rubber cover when you don't need the key, so that way nobody really knows what it is. But you've got a backup key to get into the safe in case you've run out of batteries in your safe and or you don't have a set of backup batteries to power that up. And let's be honest, that backup key is going to be really, really handy, because if we're truly honest, somebody watching this video, you're going to put a code in this thing and at some point forget what it was. It happens to all of us. Now you got a key, you can get back in and reset a new code. The keypad does have a really cool alarm, so after 3 attempts, if you enter the code wrong, it'll set off an alarm. Another great thing to have in your office, because you could probably hear it all the way at the other end of the office if it was going off. It's pretty loud. It does have a mute mode, so maybe if you're trying to keep things close at hand while you're asleep in your bedroom, you don't want anybody to hear you using the electronic keypad, you can mute that as well. So now it's going to be even more stealthy. And then of course, after you've entered your code correctly, the handle is really nice. It feels good, it's smooth, and it's big enough that you could actually open it up in the middle of the night and you know right where it is. I think one of the biggest key takeaway here is having some home security and or some office security is way better than none. And in today's world, between the expensive cost of everything, the amount of money that we have tied up in our own personal gear, not to mention equipment, all these rising costs, it just makes sense to have some sort of home security or office security that's affordable. It just makes more sense now than it ever has in the past. So overall, I think the Kaer 1430 makes a lot of sense. And here's you a fun fact for you guys. Tell me in the comments below, what does Kaer even mean and where did that word originate? If you don't know, you're gonna find something pretty special about the amount of thought that this company took, not only in designing their equipment, but the name of their company. So as we start to wrap this video up, let's go over some of the pros of this. We're gonna start with it comes to your home delivered by the FedEx guy, which is how we got ours, fully assembled, ready to use. You've got a couple of pockets right here in the door that actually hold some items that you may need. In our case, we've got them for blue guns, could be paintball guns, could be anything that would hang right there in a little mini holster. You've got a shelf up here that would hold smaller items, like maybe a box of something important. You've also got two more shelves down here. Buster's probably blocking that. And then you've got the two shelves up here, and then these little jewels down here actually hold and separate your broomsticks or your tactical broomsticks or your paintball guns. Since it does come fully assembled, it's real easy to set up and start using in your own home or your own office space. It has very good internal storage, especially for its compact design. The internal shelves are nicely spaced, and if you don't like where they're spaced, they're adjustable as well. You can take them out completely, remove them, or maybe even use one and not the other. The electronic keypad is a bonus. The backup key to use in case you forget your code or the batteries die is priceless. And then it's all in a very nice appearance. If you notice, we got the flag design on ours with the skull down at the bottom. I think that's really, really cool, but you can get a solid black one too if you're not into that kind of stuff. If you want to check out one for yourself, I'm going to have a pinned comment down below as well as it being in the description. It is a non-affiliate link. I'm not going to see any difference. You're not going to see any difference, but if you want to save 15%, make sure you use the code HMO for Heartland Makes and Outdoors 15. HMO 15 will get you a discount of 15% off on your order if you decide you need one of these in your office, your home, or even your camper. We haven't even mentioned the camper yet. Who wouldn't want to take advantage of that 15% off? They offered it up. HMO 15 will get you 15% off. After 30 years, I've realized this. Bigger isn't always better, especially when it comes to gun safes. My main safe is massive. It's got one of the old school combination locks on it. And brother, if you lose that thing, you're probably done for. But what really surprised me the most about this smaller one is how versatile it is. Not everybody keeps everything in the same place anyways. And having the option to put stuff in different areas of your home just seems smarter. The dual code combination that you can use on this safe is especially important, especially if you're like me. I'm going to end up taking this thing to work. You don't have to worry about losing the combination, and it's much easier and quicker to get into. So when you're talking about accessibility, bump in the night, you've got one in your bedroom, maybe your bedroom closet. It's a lot easier to get to than a great big huge safe in the den. Things to think about. Having the smaller safe strategically placed throughout your house, to me, it just makes more sense. And I wish I'd have thought about this over 30 years ago. Probably would have saved me a lot of money too. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you used the smaller one? What did you like or not like about it? And I'm curious, after watching this video, what are your thoughts on having a few safes or two safes throughout your house? The numbers can be unlimited, but I'm just saying, to me, I think strategically it makes a lot more sense, and you still don't have to worry about your kids or your grandbabies. Because let's face it, after doing burglary reports for 26 years as a police officer, everybody hides their gun in the same spot. In the nightstand, in between the mattresses, behind the door, in the closet. And if you don't think burglars know that, you're crazy. But what about this? You've actually got it in a gun safe, real close to your bedroom, in your closet, that you could open up quickly. Or you be creative, but you don't have it in between your mattress when you go to work. That's the first place ever a burglar looks. We're gonna wrap this video up, but I just wanted to tell you it's really got me into thinking about things a lot differently. If you've enjoyed this video, consider hitting that thumbs up. Around here we cover all the outdoors. We cover everything from camping, hunting, fishing, and gear reviews designed specifically for outdoorsmen and outdoor ladies. If this sounds like your type of people, we're on our way to 15,000 subscribers, and I'd love for you to join us and be there on our team when we hit 15,000. And until next week's video comes out, I hope you all have a blessed week, and let's get outside and make something happen.